Now, inside of the course platform Teachable, you may have noticed that one of the things you can do instead of sending an individual when they sign up for your course to a thank you page, you can send them to a custom URL. Now, this is going to be a way of your being able to direct individuals to another offer if you want to show that to them. You will need to, on that page, give individuals access to a course link where they can begin downloading or viewing the content. What's important to note is that even if you enable the commissions for an individual for that specific product, there's no guarantee that the individual will be going to a link where the affiliate will be credited for sending you the individual to make the additional sale. So using this method as a way of directing people to an upsell, unless you have no other way of being able to do it, is not going to be a good idea to use, especially if you're going to be working with affiliates. Now, it is possible that what you can do is on the thank you page, you can make your products available in a featured blocks area. And basically what this is going to do is it's going to give you a way of being able to select specific courses to make them available on your thank you page. Now, in some cases, what will happen is these URLs are going to be the same as the ones that your affiliate will be cookie for. So you're going to want to test to make sure that the links are going to be working to provide the individual credit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.